Morning guys, another little daily drive. We are coming up to a mini roundabout. Let's see if we can take advantage of some blockers. Bit busy on that side, so it might be a little bit different the way we get onto this, but there'll be another roundabout I want to go into as well, so we shall be taking that. So I'm looking at this car. This car's a blocker, but I'm obviously not there in time, so that van's a blocker. Look at that white car, is blocked off, and off we go. Same time, and that van should be shadowing me as I'm going through. All right, we're gonna go straight ahead, second exit. Now it's a little bit easier on the right hand side, but I'm gonna use the left hand side as the more slightly correct way of doing it. So having a look, van on inside lane. Anyone in the inside lane should be coming to us unless they signal otherwise, and then I'm clear to go. Hopefully that's helped you guys there. And then I stay in my lane. I'm going to follow it around as I'm going all the way around, so I'm looking that way. The van hopefully won't come out, and then it's a bit weird, so it can be a bit deceiving sometimes. It's nice to just drop a little right signal on, but don't do that. That's just that particular roundabout's a bit odd. Another meeting scenario here. Bus is my hazard. I'm going to make sure there's no cars, but there is a car there. I'll make sure the bus is not signaling. The bus doesn't have his brake lights popping on. Usually what happens when they change their signal to move off, their brake lights come on, because they have to change from a parked gear to a to drive, so you have to press the brakes when you do that. So they brake, the brake lights pop on, then the signal pops on, and then they're going to start moving. So you'll get an idea that they want to move off by obviously the signal, but the brake light also pops on. So that's just something I've spotted over the years. So yeah, now it's a bit tighter here on these roads, so we're going to be going in and out a little. Nice and wide, so I'm not too worried about going over the line. I can stay in my lane, they're in their lane, no big deal. Here it's a little bit different, it's getting a little tighter. I'm assessing it all the time. Notice you're not just thinking on the spot. I'm looking far ahead, trying to already work out. There's a hazard there, van there. I might have had to stop if he kept his door open, and you know, you got to constantly keep thinking. Now let's see, we are coming up to slightly, it's not too bad. No parked cars on their side. That means they've got more ample space. Basically I can go on the line, they're over there, no big deal. Look, I'm over the line and there's no issues, okay? And that's when it's fine to do so. Now we've got hazards ahead. I'm going to start checking back, slowing down and approaching the junction calmly. So hopefully that's helped. That was a very quick one. We're going to be going up to a dual carriageway crossroad, but I'll be going straight, so it shouldn't be that much of an issue. But let's see, or maybe I'll take a right turn. So let's see how busy it is. But hopefully that's helped you guys. I think I'll stop the video here just because it's a short one. Had the blockers on the mini roundabout, with the blocker on the mini roundabout, and we did the straight ahead second exit at that roundabout. So hopefully you guys have got those methods now a bit clearer. So and the constant meeting scenarios around these areas, it's all the time. So hopefully it's helped, and I should see you in the next daily drive. See ya, bye.